SEBI issues interim order in matter of Gensol Engineering, bars Gensol promoters over fund diversion, falsification of records. For context, complaints regarding share price manipulation and fund diversion was received in June 2024. Charu, my reporter, joins in now with more details. Charu, this is a major development there. What are the details that you have?
So the market regulator, Securities and Exchange Board of India, has come out with an interim order in the case of Gensol. Now, what has happened? The regulator has asked Gensol and its promoter director as well as its CEO to not hold any key managerial positions in the company anymore, and no trading is allowed by these two individuals or in the scrip of Gensol either. The regulator has also asked for an appointment of an auditor to look into the financial books of the company. Apart from this, the regulator made several observations in its interim order. The order was passed by the SEBI whole-time member Ashwini Bhatia, who said that the company went through an exponential growth recently, as seen from websites like Screener.in even, and saw that the number of shareholders increased, the number of trading on the scrip also increased. And what happened here was that in March 2025, the credit rating agencies downgraded its rating to D, and when the regulator called upon them to basically explain what the issue was, they said that there are issues in the debt servicing services of the company, and there is some issue in them paying back on their loans. There are some default issues. So it went ahead, and the credit rating agencies also alleged that there was some falsification and fabrication, forgery basically, of documents made by them. They also showed documents about paying back their lenders, all of them apart from IREDA and PFC, and it was seen that the documents later submitted on behalf of these two entities were fabricated, and that is why regulator, after seeing all these alarming situations, has come out with an interim order for now.